Hi everyone, this is Design Studio Ideas and welcome to my channel. On this channel, I bring you home decoration and home design ideas. In this video, I'm going to show you modern window design. All windows let in light and most provide some ventilation, but beyond those common functions, windows can vary in many ways. Some windows types are easy to open, some are ideal for broad views, and some are great for airflow. Different windows also can have very different looks to fit with an building's architectural design or decorative style. Awning windows open out by pivoting from the top of the window sash operated by a crank. Awning windows commonly are paired with large picture windows and may be placed along bottom, sides or top of the picture window to provide ventilation. They can also be installed above doors much like transom windows because they open out. Awning windows are not recommended near walkways and other traffic areas. Let the open windows obstruct the traffic path. Casement windows also open out like awning windows and usually pivot from side hinges. Many casements have fairly large glass panes to provide ample light that is uninterrupted by other framing. Casements also typically offer more open ventilation or than other window types. When closed and locked, casement windows can make a very effective seal for improved energy performance. Like awning windows, casement should not open out into traffic lanes. Double hung and single hung windows are the most common and familiar window types. The only difference between them is that single hung has a movable lower sash and a fixed upper sash, while double hung has two movable sashes. The upper sash slide down. The main advantage of double hung windows is somewhat better ventilation. With both sashes opened about halfway, air naturally flows in through the lower opening and out through the upper opening. Double hung windows also can be cleaned inside and out without the need to clean from outside. Single and double hung windows work in most locations and have a classic decorative look. They typically offer less open area than casement and slider windows and can be more prone to air leakage than casement. Picture windows are best in areas where airflow is not important because they do not open. They are often large, glass expansive, occupying the center portion of a wall to provide broad views and ample sunlight. Picture windows also work well for high windows in two-story foyers because they do not open. Picture windows are less prone to air leakage than windows, but their large glass panes can lose or gain a lot of heat even with energy efficient double pane construction. Bay windows are an excellent resource for architects to create angles and projections on a building structure. Bay windows allow light to enter at different angles, and most bays include side windows that can be opened for airflow. Bay are commonly used in kitchen and family rooms, where the large sill of the windows can be used for plants or window seat. Jalousie windows are an inexpensive solution for warm weather areas, particularly where air conditioning is not needed. Jalousie consists of glass slates set in metal clips that can be opened and closed in unison. Jalousie provide maximum airflow, but they are generally narrow and offer limited views. They also tend to be less secure than other standard window types. Slider windows slide open sideways. Like casement, they can offer clear views and ample ventilation, but they cannot be sealed as tightly as casement. Sliders are commonly used for egress windows in basement or below grade bedrooms due to their large openings and easy operation. Utility windows at the top of the basement walls also tend to be sliders. Sliders are quite simple, having no mechanical parts other than a lock and usually very basic seals and no tension mechanism. This simplicity often makes them at least expensive types of the windows. Thank you for watching the video. If you like my video, then subscribe my YouTube channel. If you get any help, then comment down below. Thank you.